Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on engine repair with the Dyson V11. Today, we will take a step-by-step approach to ensure you understand each element of the repair process. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a socket set, torque wrench, screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead, and a cleaning brush. Additionally, have a vacuum handy for internal cleaning. Make sure you have gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself during the process. Begin by removing the engine cover. Use your socket set to unscrew the bolts securing it. Be sure to keep track of the screws in a labeled container to avoid confusion later. As you remove the cover, inspect the gasket for wear. If damaged, replace it to prevent leaks. Now, let's move to the intake manifold. Carefully detach it by loosening the bolts in a crisscross pattern, which helps to prevent warping. As you do this, remember to keep the bolts organized. If you're unsure about this process, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the manifold is off, take a moment to clean the internal surfaces. Use a cleaning brush to remove any debris or carbon buildup. A clean surface will ensure a better seal when you reassemble the engine. Next, focus on the cylinder head. You'll want to remove the bolts holding it in place, using the torque wrench to ensure you're applying the right amount of pressure. After removing the head, inspect the cylinder for scratches or damage. If you find any significant issues, consider reaching out to us for a quote before repair. As we prepare to clean the cylinder head, ensure all oil passageways are clear. A vacuum can help here, sucking out any leftover debris. If you don't have the tools to perform this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, which makes it convenient for you. Reassembly starts with placing the cylinder head back. Be mindful to align the head correctly. Misalignment can lead to serious engine problems. Tighten the bolts in the recommended sequence specified in the Dyson V11 manual. This ensures even pressure distribution across the head. Next, reinstall the intake manifold, ensuring that all gaskets are correctly placed. Tighten the bolts following the same crisscross pattern as before. Remember, no calls, no travel is our motto, so if you have any questions, just reach out. Finally, check all connections and hoses before replacing the engine cover. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Once reassembled, it's crucial to perform a thorough inspection before starting the engine. Look for any signs of leakage or loose connections. With everything in place, you're ready to start the engine. Monitor how it runs and listen for any unusual sounds. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for professional assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.